What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to replace that corner assembly itself. So this car does not have bulbs, they're LEDs. Unless you know how to fix LED bulbs, you can take the whole thing apart, but it's not worth your time. Buy a new light, the whole housing, and I'm going to show you how to take it off. It has 2 screws and all you need is a couple of tools. And let's get this job going. All you do is open this, and right behind this 2 little guys you have your screws. So let me get tools and we're gonna continue this video. And once you open up these 2 lids right here, you should have access to the bolts. Okay, I'm back with this sharp pick. You could use a flathead screwdriver if you need to, or something else, anything that's gonna get in there and pop this lid open, and it's just gonna hang just like that. So inside I see a 8mm. Okay, so again, it's gonna have little lines like that, so it's not gonna go nowhere. So we need to get number 8 socket. You got a spider web in there. Let's put this to the side. Okay, I went and got tools. You could use a ratchet with the number 8 socket, just like that. But I'm using my electric drill. Oh, it's not even number 8. It might be a 7. Let's figure that one out together. Okay, I went and got a number 7. That looked like an 8, to be honest with you, but I guess it's a 7. Perfect. And this little guy comes out, and then we got one down here, and there's another one. All right, after that we're gonna be taking off this light. So this light, if you try to pull it out, you're gonna break it. You need to push it outwards, just like that. Oh, we don't want to do that either, but I'm with the one hand, guys. It's all good. Okay, once you have this off, remember, this is a LED, okay? It's not something that you can change in here. So all you do is you move this connector out of the way, and it's gonna be a little bit tough. So if you use your pick again, one with the spider web, and you lift up this connector here, and you should be able to, if you have 2 hands, well, everybody got 2 hands. If your other hand is free, not like mine, you should be able to take this connector off. So you just need to lift this up and pull back on the connector. So you're gonna need this whole housing light here. You buy the new one, and once you have the new one, all you do is you take this connector. Always take a look at your pins here, okay? Sometimes they're burnt, so if they're bent, you might have to change the connector. But anyways, this clicks right back in there. Make sure it goes all the way in. After that, you just follow these 2 little sharp things here, put them back where they belong, line them up, and give it a tap. Once everything sits flush, all you do is you take your 2 number 8s, put them back in. Let me see if I could get this one going. I want to go all the way because we might have to move this one around. Okay, this one is sitting perfectly even, and easy. Okay, that's it. And thank you for watching, guys, and make sure you test out your light before you close everything. You can push the brake and see if it works. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.